Okay, good. Hey guys, welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. We're here at the Tuzigoot National Monument in Clarksdale, Arizona. So this is one gigantic Pueblo, or a series of them, all across here. Oh, it keeps going down. How nice. Yeah, it keeps going all the way down past there. Unfortunately, the second floor is closed, so we won't be seeing any of that today. But, you know, still really nice. You see this little lizard over there? It's just chilling. And that's about it. There's the rest of the ruin over there. All right, are we ready to go?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow for one last video before we leave this beautiful state.